Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Instagram app keeps crashing, begin by closing the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for your Insta app, and then swipe it away. After that, go ahead and restart your phone to clear background processes. Then head over to your app store and search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then if your storage is nearly full, free up some space to improve performance. After that, on Android, clear the Instagram's app cache. If the crashes continue, reinstall and uninstall and reinstall the app from the official app store. Make sure you're not running too many apps at the same time. This can cause instability. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.